Okay, now how to write a matrix on a Word and on Excel. For example, we will start it by a Word, Microsoft Word. Okay, when you click to Microsoft Word, you will have here the toolbar. Go to Insert, then Equation. Okay, equation you will have like this. Yes, type matrix A. For example, the letter A is equal to. Now we have the square bracket. This is the square bracket. You will select what bracket you have. You have the square bracket. This is will be the square bracket. Then you will go to the matrices. Okay. Select the size of that matrix. What size you have. For example, you have 3 by 3. So this is will be 3 by 3. Then you type the corresponding element inside the matrix, -1 for example, 2, 3, 5, 6 or 4. For example, here you have a fraction. If you have a fraction, go to the fraction and press to the fraction. Okay, for example, 3 over 4. Or maybe here you have x square. Go to script. Okay, select this one, x to the power, for example, 2. Or maybe you have a location of that, يعني downside. Just select script and this one. It will be x, for example, here 1. Okay, 1. If you want, for example, element down. Okay, here if, for example, you wanted square root. This is will be square root or radicals with a degree or index like this. Or if you want to use the general form, quadratic general form, quadratic formula, you can use this one. Okay, this is will be, for example, square root of, let me say, x. This is the way of writing the matrix. Now if you want to write anything on a matrix like equation, just click to insert equation, insert equation. Then here you have every operation, the basic math operation, and also here it is a fraction, subscript, radical, integration, integral, large operation, some summation, or like this, parentheses. If you have, for example, you want to write the vertical bar, which is we use it for a determinant. Okay, like this, for example, 3 to the power -1. Okay, or you want to use sine, cosine, limit, or something like this. Insert here a limit, sine, cosine, operation, or a matrix. Okay, if it is 1 by 1, if it is identity matrix, 3 by 3 or 2 by 2, you can select one of them. Okay, this is about how to use the Microsoft Word. Now how to use Excel to write a matrix. Excel to write any matrix. As you know, here on the row you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is corresponding for a row, which is presented for a row. And A, B, capital C, D, all it is responded for what? Represented for a columns. Now for example, if a letter A it is on the left hand side, it is okay, but if it is on right hand side, just go to back layout and select here right sheet, right to left. That's mean here it will be right to the left. We will not use it because now we are start using in English, so it's better to be from left to right. It should be from left to right. Now how we will write any matrix? First you will write a capital letter. Okay, go to home and put any fill color. Okay, for example, if you have 2 by 2 matrix, that's mean it will be 2 rows and 2 columns. Then border all. Okay, then you will type here 2 by 2. Then you will write a matrix -1, which is corresponding element 2, 3, dependent to what you have. 4. For example, you want matrix B. Matrix B, the size of matrix B, for example, 5 by by 1. Okay, select 5 rows and 1 column, 5 rows and 1 column. Okay, so here it will be matrix B. For example, it's 4 1 3 0 2. Okay, this is the way of writing a matrix. This is the way of writing matrix. Now if you want to add any matrix, the shortcut is addition, subtract. Okay, we will use addition. Will not